Emily Baker was visiting Hollywood. A new movie was being filmed. Her favorite actor was starring in it. Emily wanted to meet him. She had a plan. She was going to sneak onto the set. Then she would look for him inside. Emily knew that once they met, she could get him to fall in love with her. Emily arrived at the set. There were hundreds of girls standing around outside. All of them were dressed in black. Apparently, they had all come up with the same plan. It was time for a new plan. They didn't have to sneak in anymore. They could now fight past security together. Inside, they would find the handsome actor. Then, all the girls would start fighting each other.